Can you believe it? One day left. Position your brand for success. If you are an expert service provider, an author, or consultant, and you need strategy, blueprint to position your brand for success on how to get a 5-figure contract, don't miss this event. We only have one day left. Go ahead and go to the link below on how you can get more information on the where, what, when, why, and how. And also stay tuned for a testimonial on one of my clients who did attend. All right, stay tuned. Time we have our last and final guest, and that is the one and only. Her name is District Missionary Betty Dissel Holman. Thank you so much. I'm going to bring her to the stage. Thank you so much for joining us and taking out your time. I do apologize for having you waiting on the back end. I know she's very busy. She's an executive director, author, and the list goes on. Thank you so much. Can you introduce yourself to the audience and let the people know about your journey and why it's very important to position your brand for success? Tell us about you.
Hello, everybody. My name is Betty Holman. I'm the proud owner of Canaan Independent Living Facility. And what we do is provide licensed homes for individuals that was former drug abusers, the homeless, and the elderly. A pivotal point in my life came the minute I branded Canaan. I knew I didn't want Canaan to just be just a regular boarding home, but I wanted it to be the beacon light of boarding homes. And I know to do that, I had to make a decision to go to the next level. My next level came when Jennifer walked up to me and she said to me, "It's time." And I said, "Time?" She said, "The Lord said it's time for you to write a book." I wrote a book. Then Jennifer came to me again and she was saying, that I told her, I said, "You know what? I see Canaan bigger than just a house. It's bigger than a house. And I wasn't comfortable with just being a house where people live in. I wanted to be bigger. So I made the decision not only to invest in myself, but to invest in Canaan so it can be that beacon light. And I knew it couldn't be the beacon light if we didn't brand it. So Jennifer designed my website. And another very important thing that she did, she taught me how to package my intellectual knowledge, because I was giving away all this free knowledge and people going and opening up homes, but I wasn't being compensated for my knowledge. So once I wrote the book, Water Walking Faith, it produced a second book, was how to open a licensed boarding home facility. Now, because I had partnered with Jennifer Carrington Associate, a book came out of it, Water Walking Faith. A second book came out of it, How to License Your Boarding Home. Then came out of that a consulting. From consulting also came the turnkey. So the book, the masterclass book, the consulting that I do on the side, then the master's class that I do, and then the third thing, the turnkey. Turnkey is when somebody say, "I don't want to work with the contractors. I don't want to work with licensed personnel from the city of Houston. Better you do it all." So all of that came from me branding Canaan. And that was one of the best investments of my life. When you brand your business, you take it to a whole nother level. By branding Canaan, I was looking at my Google analysis, and it said that for this month alone, we got 94% new visitors that are looking at Canaan Independent Living website. Without that website, we would not have those visitors. And I can't tell you how many people that have called me and said, "I saw your website." But branding brings in new opportunities, and it takes your business to another level, and it let individuals know you're serious about this business. Because I was getting people say, "Do you have a website?" "No." "Do you have a website?" "No." And I am so glad that I took that class. It's your business minded. Thank you so much, Jennifer.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. And then again, speaking of being business minded, when it comes to positioning your brand, you have to take yourself serious. That's why I
Yes.
also say it's important for you to value your own value. If you don't take yourself seriously, why should I?
That's true. That's
So
true.
if I could
That's
ask
true.
you questions, and again, if you're watching, feel free to ask our panelists some questions if you would like. But as a business owners, there are some who start off with a ton of capital, and there are others who don't. When there's a vision, know that God will make provision. So can you
Yes.
share how faith, again, your topic is faith. Can you share how faith has been important and how God has placed an accountability partner in your life, and
Yes.
how has faith been important when it comes to positioning your brand for success?
Faith was what got Canaan to where it is today. A lot of people don't notice unless you read the book. I started Canaan Independent Living out of my home. I was on a job injury. I had a boot on my leg, but all I had was faith. And I was too afraid not to step out than to step out because I didn't want to look over my life and see one day Canaan Independent Living in a grave because I was too afraid. So I was more afraid not to. But I still had the faith in God to believe that God told me to do this. Even when family thought I had lost my mind, friends thought I had lost my mind, I didn't have no savings. I didn't have no skin in the game. I didn't have a boo to help me out. But I had God and I had faith. And He said, start Canaan. I had a dear friend of mine say to me, are you sure the Lord told you that? And I remember saying to that individual, I know what God told me to do. So I started Canaan off my paycheck, living. I started bringing people in my house. I had 11 strangers living with me. I started it out of my house because I knew God told me to do it. Was I fearful living with 11 strangers? Of course I was. Were there days I wanted, did God really tell me this? Of course I did. But at the end of the day, I was more afraid not to do what He told me to do than to do. Because sometimes in this life, you have to battle faith enemy, which is fear. And so I'm having the faith because I got these people in my house. But I also have fear too. But faith will conquer fear any day. You know God told you to do it, do it. And that's what I did. And I thank God every day because I look back over Canaan now and I see it was God everywhere. And I remember having faith in to believe that God was going to bless me. And I remember a lady called me. She said, I got 5 clients. What you going to do? I had one bed. And the Holy Ghost said to me, call Rent-A-Center. I called Rent-A-Center. I said, do you have any beds for rent? He said, man, we got 4. I said, I only have $170 some. How many beds can I get with that? They said 4. I said, hold on, I'm on my way. So I thank God it was faith all down the line. Faith built Canaan. And I thank God that he allowed me this journey because this journey has taught me so much. If you believe God and you believe that God told you to do it, and you step out on faith in regardless of the obstacles that are in your way, regardless of what the naysayers say, if God told you to do it, do it. It's not going to make sense to everybody. Faith doesn't make sense anyway. God will tell you to do some things just to test your faith, and it don't make any sense. It don't make sense. My daughter called me and said, Mama, God said if you every day for the next 30 days walk around Canaan and decreeing and declaring and going further out. I imagine my neighbors thought I was crazy. Every day, this lady just making a circle around her house. But He said, in 30 days, your life will never be the same. And I'm here to tell you, my life has never been the same.
How did you get through the feeling of being overwhelmed from from no book to having a book? Now you have, I believe, 3 facilities, assisting living facilities. You on your website, I noticed you were featured on ABC 13 News.
Yes.
Uh, I'm getting ready to sit down with you now to partner with Comcast and to get your commercial on the 9 different networks. But I'm just saying, from where you started to where you are now, did you ever feel overwhelmed, and how did you get over that?
I had people in my corner that was there for me. If I started feeling overwhelmed, I would take a break. I would hire somebody to come and do what I'm supposed to be doing, and I back out for a weekend. So it's very important, like Joyce was saying, that spiritual self-care. So I would always take breaks when I felt like I was becoming overwhelmed.
I have a
Yes.
book called The 90-Day Priority Planner. Know when it's time to prioritize yourself and know when it's time to take a break. But when I give strategy and I hold my clients accountable, I always say just give it an hour a day. Or
Yes.
worst case scenario, an hour a week. But follow this outline and then you'll be okay. And it's a success. The most wealthiest, successful person did the same thing that we did. They may have failed sometime or felt overwhelmed, but they took it one step at a time, get back on the bandwagon and keep
Mm-hmm.
moving. Don't stop,
Mm-hmm.
don't
Mm-hmm.
paralyzed. Keep moving, keep the faith, stay focused like Elder Roberts did. Within the month, he was with starting with nothing to where he is now. He has pre-sales and getting those aligned. And I want to give a special gift in offering to all of those people, our viewing audience who is watching, who are watching us today. I want to let you know how much I appreciate you all taking out the time to join us. And so, what I would like to do is share my last screen. If you would like to participate in the Position Your Brand for Success, we have that session coming up very soon. Actually, it's going to be coming up on April the 27th. We're going to have our first live session. Typically, we'll have it a virtual session. We're going to come back and do another virtual session. We have a lot of people asking about when are we going to come back. I don't do the replays. So if you're going to participate, I ask that you take it seriously and sign up. Again, you can go to jennifercarrington.com/events. So jennifercarrington.com/events. Position yourself for success. It's going to be April the 27th, and it's going to be at Emmanuel Church. I'm going to put that on the screen. Let's see here. Hopefully you can see that. It's coming up shortly. I'm going to let you see there's going to be a one-day in-person workshop, a one-day in-person session where you can, it's open up to dialogue. Saturday, April the 27th. It's going to be from 10 to 2, 8813 Lockwood Drive, Houston, Texas, from 10 to 2. Go ahead and scan the code. I'm going to also put the link there on inside of the chat. NC.com/events. If you would like to participate in that, let me see, make sure it's there. Okay, let me show it now. Yeah, it's in there. So I'm going to put it in the comments as well. Bear with me. .com/events. Okay, and you can reserve your spot. Now, I'm going to tell you about what we're going to be sharing on that day. You're going to get a lot of wealth of information. Again, on not only the opportunity to dialogue with me, but also you're going to get opportunity to get the journal. We have the Position Your Brand for Success journal, and in that journal, it's you have the opportunity to watch all 3 of the 3-day challenge and take that journal, and it's you can apply everything in your business. It's a blueprint, so you can apply that to your particular brand and take that 1 hour a day strategy to your business to show you how to automate, how to set up your packages and things like that. But on that day, we're going to take it a step further. Not only will you be able to do those things, but we're going to talk in person. I'm going to go through that Comcast contract. So I have a link on my video on my YouTube channel. And I think that one was with not Amazon. It was with another Verizon, a Verizon grant. How I went through the application for a grant in 20 minutes or less. So we're going to do that. But this time, I'm going to take all of those individuals who sign up. Again, the fee is only $297. However, we do have a special. If you put in TCMJ, you can get a special, but it's not for everybody. Okay. So if you are an author, If you are an expert in your field, if you are a service provider or you're a consultant, I believe this is a great fit for you. You're trying to figure out how to get over the fear, how to get over those hurdles and some of the obstacles that you heard tonight. Please, please, please come and get your all the information that you're going to need. Again, you're going to get the journal. You're going to get my book. It's called the 90-Day Priority Planner, and that's a value of $25. The session is over a value of $699. You're going to get the replay for that and the journal for that. So and the access to that Comcast grant where you can get your commercial with Comcast. They actually did my commercial for me, and they aired it for 9 weeks. I got all of those leads because I was in position for success and I was able to get all of those leads, and it took my business to another level. So again, get in position before it's time to get in position. In other words, you don't want to have to rush and say, okay, let me get my stuff together. You want to get ready before it's time to be ready.